Hi, welcome to the mathscenter.com. We meet again. This time I'm going to do the part of the question in vectors which we started in the previous video. I'm going to finish it, and I'll talk about the problem again very quickly and what we've done so far, and we'll finish that. Before that, please follow me on Facebook and YouTube. Give this video a like and share as much as you can. Okay, and please visit the mathscenter.com. Visit the mathscenter.com. We have physics courses, Add Maths courses, maths courses for IGCSE, for A levels, IB, and so on. Yeah, so please visit our website. Okay, let's go. The problem was, if you please go back and look at the previous video, we had a parallelogram and we were given a couple of vectors, PQ and PS, and we were asked to find PR, and we demolished that very quickly. Yeah, and I written the answer down here: 4A plus 8B. That was PR. That was the first part of the question, right? So now, in the second part of the question, they want vector QT. Okay, vector QT. So this is vector QT. Okay, so vector QT, we are going to use the triangular law, and that will be PT minus PQ. Okay, now if you find this a little bit hard to get, think about it. Let's rewrite that. Yeah, so QT, I want to go from Q to T. So what do? I go from Q to P. Okay, and then go from P to T. Is this the same as this? Yes. What is QP? Minus PQ. PT is here. So I just did a bit faster because I'm using the triangle law, and that's it. Yeah. So QT is QP plus PT, and this is minus PQ plus PT. This is the same thing. Yeah. What's PT, by the way? Oh, we don't have PT. So for PT we know this thing here. So that will be 4 parts there. So 3 or 4 times PR. Okay. I repeat. PT, let me write it here. PT, vector PT is 3/4 of PR. That's because of the ratios, yeah? So PR, we had it, yeah? We just worked it. So I have 4A plus 8B. Okay? That's PR. And what's PQ? Oh, okay. Okay, so not so bad, right? PT is 3/4 of PR. PR we have 4A plus 8B, and so we're done with that. And then we have minus PQ, which is minus 4A. Now what you have to do is, you need to clean this up a little bit. What is this? This is 3A plus 6B minus 4A. So you'll have minus A plus 6B. Let me quickly check that. Okay. No, I'm just simplifying it, yeah? So just be a bit careful. This times this, we have 3A minus 4A minus A. 3/4 times 8, 6B, and we are done. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and please give this video a like and share as much as you can. Visit the mathscenter.com for all your mathematics and physics needs. Okay, IGCSE, A levels, and IB, and I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you.